Let's see the program for PIC microcontroller in SPI mode, that is serial peripheral interface mode. It is one type of protocol. I'm using here MPLAB software for programming of PIC microcontroller, and I will show its simulation using Proteus. Let's go to file menu, select new file or new project, select the category as microchip embedded, select project as standalone project, click on next, select the family as advanced PIC 8-bit microcontroller is PIC 18, then select device as PIC 18F4520. Okay, then click on next, then just select the hardware code tool as PIC kit 2, so click on next, select the compiler as XC8 compiler, click on next, give your name as SPI mod. Okay, then click on finish. Here you will get the project files as header files, important files, linker files, etc. This will just right click on header files, new, see header file, then give your name as SPI node header. So .h extension, it will give its own header file. So just cut this and I will create my header file. Just click on window, select PIC view memories or PIC memory views. From that select the configuration bits. Here it will show the configuration bits. Yes, I don't want this watchdog timer, so I am disabling it. Click the generate source code to output. Here in output window you will get the generated source code for the output. Just select this all and copy to our header file window. Then just define here our crystal value, which we will use for the clock frequency as 8 megahertz. Okay, then this is your header file. Then just right click on source file, see new C main file. Again give your name as SPI. Okay, and click on finish. This is showing here the format for the program for SPI mode. I will write the program. Now I will write the program here for our project for SPI mode of PIC microcontroller. Now this is a program for SPI mode of PIC microcontroller. I am using here PIC 18A45D0. Just I am including now my header file in double quoted SPI mode.h. Then this is the main program, this is the SPI program, and this is the function for SPI mode. Then just build this program to see any error is there or not. Build successfully showing, it means our program is correct. Let's see its simulation using Proteus software. This is the circuit diagram or schematic for the SPI mode of PIC microcontroller. I am using here PIC 18A4520, and here SPI debugger I am using. Just connect this D in pin to SDO or C5, D out pin of SPI to D SDI pin of microcontroller, S serial clock to SCK, and just select as a bar is there, so it's grounded. Just let's see it is working or not. Just run this program and it will show the monitor or SPI debug, and here you will get the hex value for our data which you have transmitted. I am transmitting here 4, 5, 6 and a later, so we are getting here the x value for this transmitted data, so our program is correct.